resolution is to grow in my career.
My resolution is to be fit and fine.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Hassan Mahmood Malik, Project Manager, PNY Trainings. My new year resolution is to excel in my career.
My resolution for this new year is to be fit and fine.
My resolution is earn more and more.
My resolution is excel to my career.
My New Year resolution is to be fit and fine.
My New Year resolution is actually to pursue my career, and I expect that 2024 is going to be great.
Assalamualaikum, this is Aisha Malik, Team Lead Production Department, PNY Group. My New Year resolution is to excel in my career, to earn peace of mind and, of course, more money.
Assalamualaikum, myself is Wahab Yunus, and my 2024 New Year resolution is to train 1 million graduates in the field of IT, and we will equip them with the emerging technology skills.